Boil about 1.5 liters of water in a kadhai or a wok, and when the water starts to boil, add the soya chunks and boil till the soya chunks are rendered soft. Boil the soya chunks till they're soft. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes. The soya is soft now. Just strain out the water and then squeeze out the water from the soya chunks thoroughly. Wash the soya chunks under running water after straining out the water till they are washed well and the smell goes away. And now squeeze out water from the soya chunks thoroughly. Heat oil for deep frying the soya chunks. And while the oil heats, we'll make the soya sauce, corn flour, water mixture. Put the corn flour in a bowl. Add about a glass of water and the required quantity of soya sauce and mix well to remove all the lumps and make the solution. Soya corn flour mixture is ready. The oil is hot. Fry all the soya nuggets till they are light brown and keep aside. The soya nuggets are fried now. Keep them aside. Heat about a tablespoon of oil in a pan and lightly fry the garlic paste. Add the chopped onions and stir fry them till they are light pink in color. Now add the chopped bell peppers and stir fry them for a while, but do not cook them, rather overcook them. Add the pizza sauce now and mix well for a while. Now add the salt, the red chili powder and the coriander powder and stir mix and cook the mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes till the vegetables, the bell pepper and the onions are a bit soft. The vegetables have been cooked, so now add the fried soya chunks. Mix and cook the vegetables till the soya chunks are done for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can check the salt at this time, but remember you're adding pizza sauce and soya sauce, so that is also going to add to the salt you have already added. So be careful while adding salt. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can add the soya sauce and the cornflour solution that we made earlier and kept aside. Add it now. If you feel the water is less after you have cooked this for a while, you can add a little water and cook it. And you can cook it on high flame and then lower the flame as the soya chunks get cooked. The vegetables need some additional water, so we added some water and lowered the flame, and now we're cooking the vegetables on low flame. The vegetable is almost cooked now. The chili soya nugget vegetable is ready, so transfer it to a bowl and garnish with chopped cilantro or hara dhania. You can see it is not dry but is a wet type of a vegetable, so that it's easier to eat with kulcha, roti, or even bread slices. Thanks for watching.